Hey Shamrocks, and welcome back to Kaitlyn's Science Show. Today I was going to do something about the science behind bubbles freezing when you blow them in like freezing cold. However, when we drove up to Mount Hood, that didn't work. So we got a science kit from Walmart. So today I tried two of a paired experiment that was in the science set. The first half of the experiment was adding baking soda and vinegar into a plastic bag and then squeezing it. Basically what happens is the baking soda and vinegar get cold in a reaction called an endothermic reaction. All the heat is taken in by the baking soda and used as energy. If you add more baking soda will take in energy and make it colder. The second half of this experiment was calcium chloride and water. When calcium chloride is mixed with water, it performs an exothermic reaction which makes new bonds between the salt, calcium chloride, and the water. This, therefore, will make a solution of the reaction increase in temperature. That's all for today, and I will see you next time on Kaitlyn's Science Show.